Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee sweets at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need butter, granulated sugar, water, and a small pinch of salt. For equipment, a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a reliable candy thermometer are crucial. Don't forget to prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easy. Now let's start cooking. Combine your butter, sugar, and water in the heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat and stir continuously until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and let the mixture cook steadily until it reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is key for that perfect brittle texture. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. This is the moment to quickly stir in any flavorings, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and your favorite chopped nuts if you're using them. Then, pour the hot, molten toffee onto your prepared baking sheet. Spread it evenly if needed, and let it cool undisturbed for at least 1 hour until it's completely firm. With your toffee completely cooled and firm, it's time for the satisfying part, breaking it. You can use your hands or a small hammer to gently break the sheet into irregular, bite-sized pieces. For storage, place your delicious homemade toffee in an airtight container. Keep it at room temperature, and it will stay fresh and delightful for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.